Mistplay needs an internet connection while you play so it can track your game activity. And Mistplay specifically recommends turning off data saver or allowing unrestricted internet access when tracking is not working. In Mistplay, support when. By the end, you'll know what to check when Mistplay appears stuck on Wi-Fi only, how to test mobile data, and which settings can block Mistplay from connecting properly. First, check whether your phone is actually restricting Mistplay to Wi-Fi. On Android, open Settings and search for Mistplay. Open the Apps, Mobile Data, or Network Settings, and make sure mobile data is allowed. The exact menu name depends on your phone manufacturer and Android version. Next, turn off Data Saver temporarily. Mistplay says Data Saver can interfere with its ability to stay connected while you play. You can either disable Data Saver or give Mistplay unrestricted internet access if your phone provides that option. And Mistplay support 1. Now, test the connection. Turn off Wi-Fi and leave mobile data enabled. Open Mistplay and check whether the app connects normally. Mistplay's own troubleshooting instructions specifically recommend turning off Wi-Fi and logging in through mobile data for certain network errors. In Mistplay, support if Mistplay works on mobile data but not Wi-Fi, the problem is probably connected to the Wi-Fi network, router, DNS settings, or another network restriction, rather than the Mistplay account itself. If neither connection works, completely close Mistplay and reopen it. Mistplay recommends restarting the app for network-related errors. And Mistplay support you should also restart your phone before changing more settings. A device restart can refresh the network connection and background processes that Mistplay depends on. Next, check whether a VPN is active. Mistplay says VPN use is not allowed, and that connecting through a VPN can lead to account suspension or termination. If you have a VPN enabled, disconnect it before testing Mistplay again. In Mistplay support also check your phone's power saver settings. Mistplay says power saver can shut down background processes, which can prevent the app from tracking gameplay correctly. In Mistplay support 1. If your goal is earning units, launch games through Mistplay rather than opening them directly from your phone's app list. Mistplay specifically recommends this for proper playtime tracking. A Mistplay support 1. If the Wi-Fi only behavior continues, test Mistplay on a different network without a VPN and with data saver disabled. If it still fails, contact Mistplay support and include a screenshot of the message or setting that remains stuck. Mistplay recommends contacting support when its listed troubleshooting steps don't resolve the problem. A Mistplay support So the fix is, allow mobile data, disable data saver, or give Mistplay unrestricted access. Test mobile data, restart Mistplay, and your phone, disconnect any VPN, and then test again. If this fixed the Wi-Fi only problem, like the video, and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.